Welcome to the Skilled MBA Entrepreneur Learning Series. In today's session, we explore the inspiring turnaround story of Build-A-Bear Workshop. From a struggling mall retailer to a multi-dimensional brand with record-breaking revenue, this case study highlights how CEO Sharon Price John led the company through transformation, achieving a remarkable 700% stock increase. Let's dive into the strategic decisions, innovations, and leadership lessons that rebuilt this retail icon. In 2013, Build-A-Bear faced a major crisis. Declining mall traffic and financial struggles threatened the brand's survival. Despite its beloved reputation, the company's business model was outdated. The challenge? Reinventing the brand while preserving its magic. Enter Sharon Price. John, a visionary leader who saw potential where others saw failure. She identified the real problem. The brand was strong, but the business model was weak. To survive, Build-A-Bear had to evolve beyond traditional mall-based retail and reach new audiences. Sharon and her team pinpointed key issues. Declining mall traffic, fewer shoppers meant fewer sales, limited demographics. The brand was too focused on young children. Retail shifts, e-commerce was rising, but Build-A-Bear hadn't fully adapted. A radical transformation was needed. The turnaround was based on 3 principles. Embrace change. Failure isn't the end, it's a chance to innovate. Evolve the business model. Expand beyond malls and explore new revenue streams. Maintain brand magic. Keep the emotional connection that makes Build-A-Bear special. Build-A-Bear was more than just a kid's brand. Sharon's strategy broadened its reach. Children, keeping core customers engaged with better experiences. Teenagers, licensing deals with popular franchises. Adults, nostalgia-driven products for collectors and gifts. Families, multi-generational experiences that create lasting memories. The company partnered with major entertainment franchises, bringing new fans into stores. From Star Wars and Disney to limited edition collectibles, these collaborations broadened Build-A-Bear's appeal and boosted sales. To compete in the modern retail landscape, Build-A-Bear invested in e-commerce expansion, online bear building and interactive shopping, mobile engagement, apps, games, and digital experiences, social media presence, viral marketing, and online brand communities, customer analytics, personalization for deeper customer engagement. Sharon revamped Build-A-Bear's physical presence. Beyond malls, opening stores in tourist destinations, standalone locations, and pop-ups. Optimized store footprint, right-sizing stores, and renegotiating leases. International growth, expanding across 25-plus countries. Shop-in-shop concepts, partnerships with major retailers for in-store experiences. Build-A-Bear sells more than stuffed animals. It sells nostalgia, connection, and memories. Its success is built on emotional connections. Every bear has a story. Personalized experiences. Customization keeps customers engaged. Quality craftsmanship. Premium materials for long-lasting products. The numbers speak for themselves. 700% stock growth since COVID-19. 550-plus global locations in 25 countries. 467.9 million revenue in 2023. A record-breaking year. What can entrepreneurs learn from this turnaround? Strategic vision. Think beyond immediate challenges and anticipate market shifts. Adaptability. Embrace change instead of fearing it. Emotional intelligence. Understand the deep emotional ties of your brand. Brand stewardship. Innovate while protecting core brand values. Build-A-Bear isn't just a retail brand. It's becoming a content and entertainment powerhouse. To strengthen its brand, the company has invested in film and TV collaborations, producing original family-friendly content to deepen brand engagement. Music and storytelling. expanding narratives through digital storytelling and interactive content. Social media and influencers, leveraging viral marketing and partnerships to reach new audiences. By creating engaging content, Build-A-Bear is moving beyond the store and into the hearts of its customers, wherever they are. Every business faces unexpected challenges, and Build-A-Bear has proven its ability to adapt. During global crises, including the COVID-19 pandemic, the company pivoted with e-commerce acceleration, expanding online ordering, and personalized shipping experiences. At-home experiences, DIY bear building kits for families to enjoy together. Virtual events and digital engagement, keeping customers connected through interactive content. By staying agile and listening to customer needs, Build-A-Bear turned adversity into opportunity, emerging even stronger than before. Build-A-Bear isn't just for kids. It's a growing brand for adult collectors as well. With limited edition releases, nostalgic partnerships, and exclusive collectibles, the company has successfully captured a new audience. Pop culture collaborations, special collections featuring brands like Pokémon, Harry Potter, and Star Wars. Luxury and premium bears, high-end designs with exclusive materials and craftsmanship. Gifting and memorabilia, personalized bears for special occasions, weddings, and fan communities. By recognizing the emotional connection adults have with their childhood memories, Build-A-Bear expanded its market while staying true to its core identity. Looking ahead, the company is investing in global expansion, new markets, new opportunities. Tech innovation, AR/VR experiences and smart bears, sustainability, eco-friendly materials and circular economy initiatives. Entertainment and media, expanding its presence through original content and storytelling. The Build-A-Bear turnaround is a masterclass in resilience, innovation, and strategic thinking. Sharon Price. John transformed a struggling retail chain into a thriving global brand, proving that with the right vision and adaptability, any company can reinvent itself. Thank you for joining this episode of the Skilled MBA Entrepreneur Learning Series. Stay tuned for more inspiring business case studies,